AZ-USB data logger family. Do complicated interfaces and software cause you problems? No reader is necessary. Just use our plug-and-play USB interface. AZ-USB data logger family is simple and easy to use. AZ-USB data logger has an accurate thermistor temperature sensor. Plug-and-play USB 2.0 interface, generates a PDF Excel report, has an alarm and status indicator, marks every special moment, has a max-min temperature record, and is IP67 waterproof. You can program each logger instead of receiving a preset logger that cannot be altered. Only 3 steps are needed to operate. Plug PDF logger into computer. Press Start to activate. Plug PDF logger into computer again to generate PDF Excel report. The generated report offers you logger profile, statistic data, graph, and testing data. We provide you multiple options for USB data logger, including temperature only, attaching the external temperature probe, or humidity recording. AZ-USB data logger family is your optimal choice.